The idea of a mandala is the circle that encompasses everything. It wasn't really a question that we wanted to build a house and then pursued something. It was more that we experienced something that was so beautiful that we wanted to participate in that.
Mandala Custom Homes builds prefab round homes that are super well designed and efficient.
When you experience the space, it feels really connected from roots to sky.
The array of windows gives me a feeling of expansiveness.
It's like having living art on the walls. I feel like we're better people because we live in a home that allows us to experience that connection.
We chose Mandala Homes, realizing that a home could be more than what we were used to and accustomed to. The idea of the round home brought to mind the idea that shapes influence our lives.
The circle and a spiral are often ways that we can imagine inclusiveness. It's just really gracious space. It feels inviting to people.
Initiating a relationship with Mandala Homes feels like creating a friendship.
They made everything seem like an adventure. Sometimes when you're on the right path in your life, the next door simply just seems like a passageway. It doesn't feel like you have to knock too hard. And that was how this experience was for us. Things fell into place really naturally.